Hello viewers, this is Maureen Asekenyi from Many Farms Limited, and we are here in Orubari Cell in Intungamo district to conduct a reconnaissance at one of our clients' farms. And these are some of the practices we found that are not on the recommended standards if you're to take up goat farming. One of them is kid management. For example, under kid management, we found in the kids' pen, the kids sleep on the bare floor, on the hard floor. So the kids need to sleep on a soft cushion, let me say grass, so that they can get the warmth they require, and also still on the kids' pen, we can see that the air from outside to the kids' pen is entering directly, so this is not recommended. These open patches need to be closed so that we prevent that too much aeration from coming into the kids' pen, so that they can get the warmth that they require. As I was telling you about the practices that we have found here as we are conducting our reconnaissance, some of the practices that are not recommended. Practice number 2 is we found that the height from the ground to the building is very, very low, small. So we recommend that at least the height from the floor should be 1 to 1.5 meters, so that it can enable the person who is cleaning the ground to access all the other channels to clean very well, and also it helps us to prevent the breeding of the parasites, the diseases to the goats. And just want to say thank you for watching. Continue subscribing to our YouTube channel and following us on our different social media platforms. Thank you viewers. Bye bye.